Bhushan Kumar. Welcome, Nora. Welcome. Hi, Kanbai. Yes, of course. Of course. Aye, welcome. Give it up for Nora Fateh and Karan Aujla. All right. That's how we do it. Though we were supposed to, play the song and welcome you on this stage formally, we're going to do that. Sorry? Yeah, we will do that. We'll definitely do that. Bhushan sir, thank you so much for this. Yes, you can be here, of course. And of course, Neha Kakkar, ladies and gentlemen. Make some more noise. Okay, before we start, Karan bhai, of course, with every song of yours, जब भी हम सुनते हैं, everybody says, और चला यार, और चला. Karan Aujla का गाना है यार, चला, और चला. And every single time the same thing happens with a T-Series chartbuster. First things first, what do you have to say about this collaboration?
There's a lot to say, but I'm just happy that this project came together, and I just want to thank Bhushan Bhaji, obviously Nora, and Neha for sure. We've been working on this for a while, but yeah, I'm just happy that it came all together, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna top the charts, and I can't wait for the reaction of the audience.
Let me give you some good news here that the song's already trending on YouTube and
Let's
everywhere.
go.
Give it up for I Hi, ladies and
Let's
gentlemen.
go.
Of course, that's the song. We're already trending, and this song is I Hi. So I'm sure you get all these compliments every now and then. I Hi, kya kar rahe ho, kya da rahe ho? What do you have to say about this song?
I'm obsessed. I genuinely am obsessed. When Sir sent me the song the first time, I heard it. I was like, the lyrics, amazing, vibe, amazing. Sab kuch, matlab, oh, alag hai. It's an energetic, flirty, fun song, and I really wanted to do a song like this after so long. And then I heard the second version, which was with Neha Kakkar's voice. I said, oh my God, this is a hit. And I have to do this song. So shooting with Karan was such a vibe on set. I think when you see this video, you'll see us laughing in some shots, smile. This was all real, because we really connected, we really had a good time. I love everything about the video, the aesthetics, the choreography, the styling, the way it was choreographed. And I just love our pairing in the video. I think the chemistry was eye high, like literally.
Eye high, literally, of course.
Yeah, it was just too good. Of course, and Neha's voice was just superb.
We've already loved the video, and that's, as I said, the song is already trending everywhere. So the man responsible for that, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, come on, make some noise for him. Sir, every single time, of course, looking as dapper as ever. Here, we have to talk about this song before we play it for everyone here. Every single time, sir, how do you do it? Like, kya hai wo, that Midas touch that everybody talks about, and talk to us about this pairing here, the people starring in this song.
First of all, I want to tell Karan, you have danced better than Nora. Really, I've never seen you dancing in your videos. Yes, you have to do it this. You have to dance on the track. So no, for everybody today. So I'm very happy with that. Where is Neha? Why Neha is not coming?
She's coming, sir.
So this song means a lot to me because I love this song. I think 7-8 months back, Karan played me this song and I said, I want this song and we have to start our association with this. And here we are today. So thank you Karan Bhaji on this. Thank you Nora to be a part of such a great, he was always wanting to do a song with you. So this collab has come on T-Series, so we are very, very happy about it. And I want to congratulate my entire team. They have worked really, really hard on this launch event, and going forward also we are going to make this song the biggest chartbuster of 2024.
Karan,
And 25 years.
Karan Bhaji, of course, we know, of course, you're this amazing artist. Everybody wants to hear you sing and make more music, but especially for you, when you collaborate with a label like T-Series, how special is it for you? Because bachpan se sunte aaye hain, everybody loves this.
Yeah, exactly. Literally from childhood, we've been seeing the songs come out with T-Series on TVs, and we never knew we would be the ones, coming down with the track, especially with the man himself. I mean, it's a blessing, man. I'm just really happy that this is happening, and this is just a beginning. That's all I'm gonna say. There's a lot more to do, and there's a lot more that we're gonna come out with together. And yeah, man. I hope you guys are not sleeping. Like, I can't. Like, Exactly. Like, yeah, please, man. Let's do that. Yeah.
Okay, guys, funny story. So we went on set, first time meeting Karan, and before even meeting him, the director told me, "Ma'am, Karan ko dance nahi karna hai. Mat karo, try mat karna." So I was like, "Oh, okay." Then I immediately went to him, met him, introduced myself. Hi, how are you? Good, good. Karan, I want you to dance in the video. See that? And he's like, what? I said, yes, aapko dance karna hai. He's like, okay. Then Rajat also went up to him and was like, it's just one small move, right? One small move. But then he ended up doing it and he did it so well. Did you guys see it? Wasn't he so good? Like all that swag and everything. And even, you know what the funny part is? When we were doing the take, I'd forgotten the move some 2-3 times. Like I messed it up. And he was just going for it. Like fully with the clap and the shoulders. And I was like looking at him like, oh, he's gonna take my throne.
No, that was fun actually. Well, that was the only step that I knew how to do, and I was doing it for 2 hours before that, so you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much, Nora, and helping me with this. And where's Neha? Like, I would really like her to come up.
She's about to come here, but she's saying, okay, let's watch the song on the
Let's
big
watch
screen
the
first.
song, yeah.
So we're gonna see all those moves and grooves.
Exactly.
And let's take a look at the song on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you,
Give it up
guys.
for Nora,
Thank
Karan
you.
Aujla and Bhushan Kumar sir. One more time, go make some noise, yaar. थोड़ा अल्लाह मचा लो यार. जोश चाहिए यार, सीटियाँ चाहिए. बस क्या कर रहे हो? सर की नजर यहाँ भी थी एंड वो दिमाग में मेरे को पता है ये फ्रेम सेट हो गया है अभी तो कुछ तो आने वाले समय में धमाका बनता है. Give it up for Nora and Karan Aujla, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Hi. तो Karan Paji, one more time I'd like to invite you on this stage. मैं चाहता हूँ आप यहाँ पर आएं क्योंकि कोई बहुत ही खास है जिन्हें यहाँ आपके साथ बुलाने वाला हूँ मैं. First of all, talk to us about those moves. क्या हुआ? मतलब जैसे यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे थे.
Do I still gotta talk about those moves, bro? Or do I just show them? Yeah,
You
play
wanna do
that,
that?
play that ending of
Alright.
the song.
हो जाए.
Watch
and learn.
Yo, I want him to come up on here, Rajat, where's Rajat?
Of course, Rajat sir,
Bro,
हमारे
come.
choreographer, the कमाल का इंसान who's here
Bro,
with
make
us.
some noise for my boy, man. He's the one who got me into this.
All yours.
Let's do it together. Yeah, let's do the play the ending of this song. Yeah?
Can we play that part? Yeah. One more time, thank you so much, sir, for that wonderful choreography. Sir, here you go. And now, it's time to invite on stage someone जो कि millions and trillions of hearts पे राज करती है, and of course across the globe known as this versatile, mind-blowing singer. Of course, हम सबके दिलों की रानी. Give it up for Neha Kakkar, ladies and gentlemen. There she comes, the very gorgeous Neha.
Let's go.
Welcome Neha, so good to see you. Okay, first things first, congratulations on this banger here with this gentleman here, of course. So what do you have to say?
Hello everyone. Hi. आप सब लोग इतने कमाल की आप लोगों की क्या बोलते हैं इन्फ्लुएंस है, इतने सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, इतने सारे अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट यहाँ पर हैं. तो पहले तो बिग वेलकम. आई थिंक आप सब सारा प्यार डिजर्व करते हो और सारी अपलॉज डिजर्व करते हो. इसके लिए तालियां बजा दो आप सब. और थैंक यू सो मच. आप हमारे इतने दिल से पेश किए हुए गाने को प्यार देने आए हैं. So big thank you to each one of you. And this man right here is a star. You all know, right? He's been killing it. He's been killing it. Karan Aujla, और करण औजला का गाना हो और मतलब नेहा कक्कर उसमें अभी तक नहीं आई, तो ये तो मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता था ना, तो आना ही था नेहा
No,
कक्कर.
I'm lucky to have you. Honestly, it's been a dream to work with you both from day one. Obviously, you know, you're my senior in music too. I think you're older than me too a little bit. It's okay.
मारूंगी करण.
You know, but no, honestly, yeah.
That is true. We all are older than. अब ठीक है.
But honestly, I'm only learning from the best. But thank you again, Neha. You know, I really want to thank you for doing this for me. Honestly, I would love to say that she didn't even ask me one question. Same for you, Nora. Like, you know, I thought like, you know, Neha ka khed thode se nakhre, but you know, she showed me love. You know, so it's lots of love for you. You know, thank you for doing this on just one phone call.
Pleasure. You know, I always say, मुझे ये बात बोलनी थी. You know, Karan, मैं ज़रा राइट पे आ जाऊँ, मेरा राइट प्रोफाइल ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Okay, so you know, I've seen so many people talking about Karan's writing. You know, but of course, क्या होता है ना, writing जो होती है ना Karan, काफ़ी सारी majority को समझ आती है. But जो composition समझने वाले लोग होते हैं वो बहुत कम होते हैं. And I, Neha Kakkar, want to say this. Karan Aujla is not just a great writer, he's a great composer too. Yeah. और मुझे भूषण सर को थैंक यू बोलना था. As always, he's given the biggest songs. Sir and I, we've done the biggest songs in the industry. हमने millions and millions करे हैं और ये गाना तो यहीं से तीसरी से ही आना बनता था. And Nora, what a star you are. Oh my God, what a performer she is, guys! क्या perform करती है Nora? Big round of applause for Nora, everyone. Amazing. बहुत सारा मैं बात करती हूँ क्योंकि मैं इतना बात करने को मिलती नहीं हूँ सबको. I don't give interviews and everything, but here मेरा बहुत सारा प्यार है इस गाने के लिए और बहुत सारा प्यार है for T series and you know both of you guys. तो अब मैंने बहुत सारा बोल लिया. I think थोड़ा perform कर लेते हैं.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Let's go.
Put the song on,
Great
man.
job. Let's do this.
Play a song.
Give us
Play a song,
Make some
baby.
noise for them, ladies and gentlemen. Come
I'm
on.
feeling it. I'm
Hands
feeling
up
it.
in the air.
Give us some reverb now, please.
Come on. Lovely, man. Make some noise again, man, for Neha. Let's go.
और चला. This is what happens. Karan Aujla, ladies and gentlemen, and of course Neha Kakkar.
Thank you.
Neha, you have to tell us ये क्या है? मतलब as you were just talking about these series और आपकी भूषण से और आपकी ये जो collab है, millions and trillions of views, ये हर बार कैसे हो जाता है? मतलब what is the magic यार? Tell us.
I think शायद हमारी, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं, पर अभी आप ये बोल रहे हैं ना, तो मुझे ये समझ आ रहा है कि शायद बचपन से I have been in this, बचपन से सर has been in this. हम माता रानी को मानते हैं. हमेशा हमारी कॉल्स जो कट होती हैं, वो जयमा दादी बोल के कट होती हैं. मुझे लगता है ये एक रीज़न है कि बचपन से we have been struggling a lot. और जब हम आए इंडस्ट्री में तो क्या आए, आए. So I think this could be the reason.
No, 100%.
We did talk about that struggle, लेकिन अब जो kill कर रहे हो, slay कर रहे हो ना, ऐसा कोई नहीं कर रहा है.
Honestly, मैं किल कर रही,
Just stop, Neha.
बीच में थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लिया
No,
मैंने,
you're
but
kidding.
now no break anymore. Neha Kakkar is back, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's go.
I will keep talking. Please don't ask me questions.
I'm not asking you anything. I just want you to talk and share everything with us. You know, choreographer Saab is sitting over there. He's still into it. He's still telling you
Yeah,
about
man,
these steps
they
and
were.
everything. Rajat sir, a quick question for you. Who was more obedient? यहाँ पे नोरा या करण भाई?
Him, definitely.
क्या कर रहे हो सब लोग? क्या कर रहे हो?
Because he just had one move to do.
Right.
And I went to his vanity when I was like, sir, एक move है वो करना है आपको.
हाँ.
Are you ready? He's like, yeah, let's go. We did it in the vanity van. Like, I think 10 minutes. We grew literally 10 minutes. So he's more obedient. And obviously, इनका कुछ अलग वो एक रिहर्सल का एक पीरियड है ना,
हाँ.
बहुत डिफरेंट है.
Right.
शूट पे बहुत डिफरेंट है.
हाँ.
She's the most obedient in terms of learning and everything, but it's a task. It's a task.
10 मिनट में ये किया है
10
तो
minute में ये किया, and I'm sure all of you guys sitting over here, let us try this step once. I see a lot of dancers here. I know a lot of people can move. Hello, hands up everyone. Oh yeah, alright, let's come in.
Nora, we would want you to be on
Come
the
in, come
stage.
in,
Come. Of course, आप सिखा दो सबको.
आ जाओ.
आपको नहीं जाना
Aww. Come.
Alright, let's try this step, everybody.
विद नोरा
Nora, please, we would want you to be on the stage,
yes.
of course.
विद नोरा प्लीज साइड
And Neha, I would request you to join them. यार, आपके बिना ये पूरा नहीं हो सकता. हमको चाहिए कि आप भी इस स्टेज पे आए. Ladies and gentlemen, Neha Kakkar, Nora, and of course, Karan Aujla. Everybody.
म्यूजिक
Music. आएगा. Doing this, that was fantabulous. ये घर जाके पता नहीं क्या करने वाले हैं सब लोग अभी.
से नेक्स्ट 2 हफ्ते तक यही चलने वाला है.
Thank you so much. नेहा, मैं चाहूँगा ऐसे आपको जाने नहीं देंगे. बड़े मुश्किल से मिले हो आप. I would want you on this stage one more time, please.
पुष्पा का इवेंट नहीं है पूरा लंबा मत कर
ये must conversation हो रहा, बढ़िया चल रहा अपना अलग दुनिया में. Okay. Also, would like to invite on stage the gentleman, ladies and gentlemen, who's changed the Indian entertainment scene, and with his kind of vision, मतलब हम कह सकते हैं कि भारत global rock करेगा ही करेगा. Give it up for Mr. Bhushan Kumar one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, यहाँ पे with this trio, of course, with this team, अब क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप? We've seen the song here. Response तो मैंने जैसा कहा, the song is already trending everywhere. What do you have to say about these three wonderful artists here?
They are fabulous. Neha Kakkar, as she said, she's back again. I'm very happy for that. क्योंकि वो करेक्ट बोल रही है, अभी बीच में थोड़ा मस्ती कर रही थी कि नहीं गाना.
शादी में थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्यार में हो गई थी.
Actually, so I welcome her back and with this song. So yes, the song will rock, as I just earlier said.
And sir, वो एक frame में दिखने की, we were just talking about this, कि do we get to see more and more of them?
Yes, for sure.
है ना?
Yeah.
I am sure it's going to be धमाकेदार this journey, ladies and gentlemen. And नेहा, आप कहीं नहीं गए थे, आप हमेशा हर पार्टी में होते हो, आपके बिना कोई पार्टी पूरी नहीं होती. Of course, इस पूरी टीम के साथ इस बार पूरी दुनिया New Year's Eve मनाने वाली है, because New Year का सबसे बड़ा party anthem is Aye, hi. It's time to click a picture. Of course, we'll have a quick picture. उसके लिए I'd like to invite on stage Shiv Chanana sir, of course, an important and a very amazing person on stage. Thank you sir. हर project में ऐसे ही बढ़ चढ़ के entertainment देने के लिए audiences को. And also Rajat sir, एक बार वापस से invite you on stage.
शूट पे गया तो कैमरामैन घर भी चले गया.
Music चला सकते हैं, मतलब हम तो और चला करना चला और चला.
और मचा.
हाय हाय.
permission